Hey everyone, this is Jacob with the Ultimate Screenshot Tool, and I'm here to demonstrate one of the great features I think you'll really enjoy, especially anyone creating mobile apps. So as you know, when you submit to the App Store, there's a lot of screenshots that you have to take. So I created this tool to take all the screenshots in just one button press. It does a lot of other cool things too, but we'll focus on the App Store screenshot feature for now. So the first thing you want to do is select all the resolutions that you'll use, and I've already got a few input here, but you can add another if you want, or maybe if you don't want it, take it back out. And after that, you'll select what screens you want to take screenshots of. So I have it to take the initial screen, then to hit the demo overview button to go onto this screen and take a photo there. Then it's going to go ahead and go back and do the same thing for the asset features. And those are the three screens that we want for the App Store. So I'll go ahead and hit the button. It's going to go through all the screens that we want and take all the resolutions that we want of each. And now that that's done, we can go into the folder and check those out. So we've got nice organized folders of all our screenshots. And if we open the iPad Pro, you can see that's the 2048 by 2732 size that we want. And we can go ahead and compare that to the iPhone. And as you can see, the UI is adjusted between the two screens, and that's the 1080 by 1920. So we've got all our App Store screenshots ready to go in just one click. And that's the Take Screenshot series feature. I think it's pretty awesome, and I hope you'll check out the Ultimate Screenshot tool.